Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow I will be doing a live stream for the KC Cup. I was busy today, so I wasn't able to compete in the KC Cup much. I did a few games, I think, but not a lot. So anyway, I'm preparing for a real encounter with the KC Cup. So I'm going to be playing this deck. Let's name it Amazon. I fell in love with this deck, and I still think it's really good. It's a really underrated deck. I don't know why people stop playing it, but whatever. That's enough monsters, honestly. And traps. One onslaught. One of these. Two wall disruption, penalty so like Cantina. I would play 2 if I had. I would play 3 if I had 3. Trust me, card is good. One of these. Metamorphs. This card's actually pretty good, especially you like target their monster when they're attacking with this on field and make them take a bunch of damage. Something I've been playing just as a replacement for a couple cards that I am missing is Well. Other than Against You Bell, it's a pretty good card, so. Extra deck, Stardust, Dragon? Oh, nope, extra, okay. Stardust Dragon. These, just because of ultra rares. You're never gonna summon any of these, by the way. You're just playing them because you can. You don't want your opponent knowing what you're playing. Sometimes the extra 1,000 points helps. Although I probably would play Ties of the Brethren. I started off at 7, so I haven't played much, but I grew a lot. I grew like 3 levels. I did it in like an hour. You only need to win like 2 games. Every 2 games you level up. I played like 10 games this morning. I'm playing against you, Bell. Of course I'm playing against you, Bell. The girl isn't even that good of a deck. People are overhyping it. I might need to make more monsters. Sorry, I'm tired. The reason I'm playing so late is because I went shopping today. So, I've just been busy today, shopping and whatnot, doing errands. It's the beginning of the month. I can't get into a monster. If I don't draw a monster next time, I lose. Actually, no, because I have wall disrupt. I have players so Kanina, so as long as he doesn't get another monster, I'm okay. I play like what, 8 monsters, 7 monsters, so it's over half my deck of monsters at the moment. Mathematically speaking, I should. Yeah, I just couldn't get into that monster that I needed. Sorry about that. That's Discord. I subscribe to an MTG channel, and Discord for it. Yes, I play Magic the Gathering. Oh, you know I play Pokemon. I also play Force of Will. Honestly, Yu-Gi-Oh! Is my favorite. But I grew up with Yu-Gi-Oh! I grew up with Pokemon, but I stopped playing for a very long time. And I only got back into it recently, like 2015, when I started playing Pokemon for real again. And then started Magic for the first time, because like I said, I played Pokemon as a kid. I didn't play Magic as a kid. I got into Magic, when was it? It was 2012, so it's been about 7 years since I've been playing Magic. It's been about 4 or 5 years since I've been playing Pokemon, and very long time since I've been playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Although Magic, I think, is my second favorite game. Oh, and I got the Force of Will about the same time. I got into Match. No, I got into Force of Will 2013. You go again. I think it's Bell. Might be a Neptune deck. Just in case that's a counter trap card, and I don't want him to, well, Metamorph does do the extra 300, this won't do any other damage. But, just in case it's a trap, I don't want to counter it. Okay. I don't know if y'all can hear, but I apologize for the background noise. We can. My cat is in heat. Okay. Why is just defense being on ritual something with it? I guess he's not ritual something with it. Shooting for ritual summon isn't destroying it, so it doesn't get his effect. It didn't let me chain. I hope I can get into a monster. I'm ready for a nap. Come on, monster. Yes! That godly top deck. I will set this equal to. Go to the battle phase. So basically, it's just replacing itself and shuffling back all of those cards. Which is fine. That means you can't trigger any of those effects that would have been triggered. This deck has a bad matchup, but it doesn't absolutely lose to it. One, because of onslaughts every 7 you belt, which you really do now. You could just perish your belt and it's over. Or you just run out of resources. That's game. I might go back to play Check Unities for the KC Cup. Actually, it's not quite game yet. Because it is. That's the cool to armor. I honestly would probably play the Minstrel Prison over armor anyway. If I was to play it. In real life, obviously, you wouldn't play it, but you could play stuff like Mirror Force if you want it. I think we do have Quaking Mirror Force. and Duel Links, which might actually work good for this deck. That would have been bad if I misclicked. That's dumb. That's the game. Whatever. I don't care. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't subscribe and take in half below. I will catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo. Saying out. Bye.